Macrame. In this channel, you will find everything related to macrame. Whether it is DIY tutorials or tips and tricks videos, you should be able to find a lot of valuable macrame content right here. And if you do find the content valuable, please click that subscribe button. Because it is autumn and the leaves are falling outside, I wanted to show you guys how to make some easy DIY leaf earrings so you can wear for the fall season. They go great with any outfit, so you can dress them down or dress them up. It's up to you. The pattern only uses one knot, so it is nice and simple, and I would say the only tricky part of it is making the knot using such thin and short string. So if you guys are having trouble tying the knots with my recommended lengths that will come right after this intro, then make sure to cut a little bit more so that it makes it easier to tie the knots. Another thing I should mention is that you'll need to get some earring hooks so that you can make the macrame leaf onto. You can get these earring hooks online at Amazon or at your local craft store. There's a ton of places where you can get them. So if you want to know where, you can check in the video description below. Make sure you guys stick around and watch till the end because I do show you guys how to make the earrings using different kinds of cotton cord. So whether it is single strand or 3-ply or 4-ply cord, I will walk you through how to do that. If you guys do like this design, make sure you check out my Bochiknot playlist for more DIY macrame tutorials. It does have a variety of wall hangings, plant hangers, or fashion accessories such as jewelry and handbags, so make sure you check that out. With that, let's begin. Like I said in the intro, I was going to show you guys how to make the macrame leaf earrings using different types of cotton cord. So this project is really good for using up your scraps that you have laying around from other projects. So a lot of us know that the most popular types of cotton cord used in modern macrame is a single strand cord as well as a 3-ply cord. What I have here on the right is a 4-ply cord that I had, and to use that cord to make macrame earrings, I'm just going to untwist the strands so that I have the 4 little strands. So the gray cord here is a 4mm 4-strand cord. So one smaller strand I have here is about 1mm. And because we are making smaller knots to make a smaller macrame earring, we want to use thinner strands of cord. If you only have a 3-ply cord in 4mm or 3mm, you can use that as well and untwist them so that you have 3 thinner strands of cord. The cord on the left here is a single strand cord that is about 3mm in diameter. To make the macrame leaf earrings using single strand cord, all you have to do is separate out the cord into smaller, thinner strands. To do that, I've separated out my 3mm single strand cord on the left here in the taupe color into 3 thinner strands that will be approximately 1mm in diameter as well. So depending on what kind of cord you have laying around, either single strand, 3-ply, or 4-ply cord will work. So for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'll be going through how to make the macrame leaf earrings using the strands that I had separated from my 4-ply cord. So to begin, we're going to take one strand of cord of about 10 centimeters long, and we're going to weave it through the small little hole underneath the earring hook. So now we'll take 2 other strands of cord and we will place one in the back and one on the front, facing opposite directions,
and we will make a square knot. Taking one strand, we will fold it in half and place it in the back with the loop facing the right, and then we'll take another strand, make a loop facing the left, and then we'll place the ends in the opposite loops and pull on the ends to tighten. If you do have scraps and your cords are slightly shorter than 10 centimeters, you might find it a little tricky to tighten this knot. If you do find it hard, I would recommend cutting slightly longer than 10 centimeters. Or if you have scraps laying around that are longer than 10 centimeters in length. We are going to continue this knot 7 more times so that you have a total of 8 square knots in the pattern. Once you have all 8 square knots on, what we're going to do is comb through the fringe on both sides a bit, and then we're going to cut in the shape of a leaf or a feather, whichever you want it to be. If you do want to make a feather shape instead of a leaf, I do recommend adding more square knots so it is a little longer. But for this, we're going to make a small macrame leaf. So what we're going to do is cut in a shape of a leaf. If you're not good at freehand cutting, you can cut the shape of a leaf on a piece of paper and then place it on top of this macrame and cut along with the paper. Once you have cut the leaf to your desired shape, then you have completed your one macrame earring. And all you have to do is repeat the same steps for the second earring to finish off the pair. You have now completed the macrame leaf earrings. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.